We're removing 16 trees in the backyard, picking them from the backyard to the front yard. This guy's got a major landscape install, getting ready to start here in a few days, and got to get these trees out of here. A lot of these trees are ash trees, and they have the emerald ash borer, and they're getting ready to go anyway. As I said, pretty much we're picking these trees out of here and setting them in the front yard. It minimizes damage to other saplings and such underneath of these trees. This is the most safest way you can pretty much go. Just set it here in front of the chipper, and it should be disposed of in just a few minutes after it's set on the ground.